Anxiety is just your brain playing the wrong movie on repeat. Here is something your teachers never told you. Your brain does not think in terms of words. It thinks in pictures, sounds, and feelings. That means the way you represent something in your mind determines how you feel about it. This is a foundational concept in NLP. And once you understand it, you can start taking control of your emotions with surprising speed. Let's say you're feeling anxious about an upcoming event or a presentation, a meeting or a conversation. Your heart is racing, your stomach is tight. Why? Because your brain is playing a mental movie. Maybe you are imagining yourself failing, getting judged, forgetting your words, looking like fool. You are seeing yourself from a distance, watching a future dread, and your body is responding as if it's real. But here is the breakthrough. You can change that internal movie. You can edit it, reframe it, even delete it. This process is called submodality shifting in NLP. Submodalities are fine details of your inner experiences like brightness, color, sound, size, distance, location, and motion. These aren't just aesthetics, they directly affect how you feel. Let's try a practical exercise. Close your eyes and think of a moment that triggers stress. Notice the image. Is it big or small? Bright or dark? Color or black and white? Moving or still? Now start tweaking those details. Shrink the image to a size of a coin. Make it black and white. Push it farther away until it's barely visible. Imagine it dissolving like smoke or breaking apart like pixels. Do you feel a shift? Even a slight one? That's your nervous system responding to new input. What you are doing is teaching your mind that this event doesn't deserve the emotional weightage you have given to it. Now let's go the other way. Bring up a moment of pride or joy. Make it big, bright, vibrant. Move it closer. Add your favorite empowering soundtrack behind it. Feel the energy rise in your body. Your emotions follow your internal images. When you shift the structure of those images, you shift your state. No therapy, no years of analysis, just a few seconds of intentional rewiring. Why does this work? Because your subconscious responds more to sensory inputs than logic. It doesn't care what's true. It cares what feels vivid, urgent, and emotionally charged. That's why anxious thoughts feel so real. You have unknowingly produced them with cinematic clarity. NLP gives you the power to take back the director's chair. You choose the angle, you choose the lighting, you choose editing, and the more you practice, the faster your brain learns new emotional responses. Instead of spiraling down into fear, you shift into calm. Instead of freezing, you visualize success. Instead of dreading the future, you design it, you create it. Remember, your mind is always projecting. Most people let it run on autopilot. But you are starting to edit the reel. And with practice, you can create a highlight reel that inspires, not terrifies. Try out these steps mentioned in this video and feel the magic. If you like the video, share it with others.